Hi, Steve here from Business Web Solutions. Day one of lockdown. We are here today, but frankly, for me, it's just like another day at work. I'm in here in my home office, and I work from home on my computer and do online marketing and help businesses grow their products and sales and services online. So we use a lot of different tools here to make things a lot easier for us. So whether that's communicating with clients, communicating with staff, whatever the case may be. Now, in this uncertain time, we've got at least 4 weeks, and who knows, it may be longer, where we can't go and see people that we used to do face to face. And there's Skype and there's Zoom and there's a few other things out there, but the tool that we've found the best for talking to people remotely, doing like a video conference and screen sharing and bits and pieces like that, has been something called Whereby. Okay, now Wherebycom is where you find this. All you do is you go to that website, you sign up. It doesn't cost you anything for their basic plan, and you can talk to up to 4 people at a time with full video conferencing and screen sharing, etc. Now let me show you. So let's go from Google here. Let's go straight into, we'll go to whereby.com. Now it's because I'm logged in, it's always going to show me my logged in screen, and I'm not going to log out at this moment, but it gives you, like it says here, the freedom to start work from anywhere. Okay, you can see here on the screen here where you can have up to 4 people in what they call a room, and it's super simple. You just send someone a link, and they click on that link, and it opens up on whatever the browser is that they have. There's also a really good mobile app for it as well, so you can talk to anyone on their mobile, face to face. You can share your screen, show photos, whatever the case may be. PowerPoint presentations. If say you're in real estate and you're giving a presentation to someone who wants to list their house with you, okay? Because people are still, we're going to come out of this thing, and business is still going to pick up where it left off. Maybe even busier than it was when we went into lockdown. So the businesses that embrace this stuff and run with it, they're gonna come out the other side a whole lot easier, a whole lot quicker. Now there's some, I'm not saying all businesses, the tourist businesses and the takeaway businesses and bits and pieces like that are really going to be hard hit with this. But if you're a business that where things are gonna carry on, people still use your equipment or whatever the case may be, while this is happening, you need to have really good tools that you can work with. Okay, so to us, Whereby is probably one of the best tools that we use on a daily basis. Okay, so let me take you into my Whereby room. Okay, I'm the only one in here. I'm not sort of sharing this with anyone at the moment, but obviously they'd come up on the right hand side of my screen here. You can see that my webcam's picking this up, and you can mute your microphone if you need to. You can turn the camera off if you wish as well. You can have a little chat room down the side, so you can send someone a link. Say, hey, look, you're talking to your parent or grandparent or something like that, and you want to send them a link to something on that you saw on Facebook or something, whatever the case may be, or a YouTube video, whatever it is. You can just pop that in here into the chat. See who's who. You can mute other people and do whatever you wish if you own if it's yours. Here's the chat. Sharing screen, so you can choose which one of your screens you want to share. So I'll share my other screen with you. At the moment it's just I'll close this chat window down. It's just my screensaver, but you can go full screen with that, and see what's happening. So if we look over on my other screen here, what do I bring up? Let's bring up, I'll just bring up the launch pad. Okay, so we can go through and you can, you know, whatever the case may be. If I wanted to bring up, I'm not going to go Google Chrome. Say it was a video, when we clicked on QuickTime Player, it's probably not going to do much. Here we go. It's going to ask me to open a video, but you can see that in my screen sharing. We then hit escape. How do we get out of here? Oh, there they are, little dots up there. Exit the full screen, and then I'll go down the bottom here and I want to stop screen sharing. It'll come back to me. Okay, so Whereby, perfect. You want to share this with someone, you just copy the link. It's copied, and let's see if I can do this without getting a whole heap of feedback. I'm going to enter into my own room again. Okay, it's on. I'll turn my cameras on both of them. There we are. They're both on mute, so I don't get a whole heap of feedback, distortion, and everything like that. But essentially, that's what it will look like. We'll do it again. Okay. And well, there were three of us, or three of me, in there. Okay, see if this is going to work. I've never tried this before. There we go. 1, 2, 3. And let's try one more. Take it to its maximum. And I'll just be in this one for now. And you'll see another one coming along. And a tick. Nope. It hasn't shown up. There we go. It's having a little bit of a hissy fit. There we go. There we go. We've got them all working. So that's me at my maximum capacity, because I'm using a free version. The paid version you can have up to 12 people. Okay. Super simple, super easy. No having to download other software or any of that sort of thing. One small thing though, if you are wanting to screen share, where are we? There is, here we go. You do need to get and you're using Google Chrome, you need to have a Chrome extension for the screen sharing. As part of their privacy situation, everything like that. But that's easy enough. It'll direct you the first time you go to screen share. It'll direct you to this page, and instead of saying remove from Chrome, because I've already got it installed, it will say add to Chrome. You add to Chrome, boom, there you go, and you're away. You're screen sharing. Okay. I hope you found that really helpful, and I'm going to be doing a lot more online marketing and working from home or isolated videos like this. That's going to really help you with your business to grow in these uncertain times. Talk to you soon. Bye now.